what, God will never leave our side. He always guide our ways. We only need to look for Jesus. Put our eyes to Jesus. Fix our eyes on that goal that Jesus called us. Called us to serve. Called us to glorify His name. Called us to worship. It's okay to feel weak, sometimes to feel tired, but always put in our heart that, hey, my God is great. My God will help me to overcome all this obstacle to get that prize. And in verse 14, this is so important. So I ran straight toward the goal. Run straight toward the goal to be a winner. In order to win the prize of eternal life, the prize of salvation, the prize that God prepared for us in His heavenly kingdom, which is